Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is the J-Pen Club. I would like to introduce this to you today. The P1 airbrush set can be quickly replaced. PE airbrush set. It leaves the dependence of traditional air pumps on battery lines. Design of replaceable batteries. The use of P1 is no longer confined to the interior, and the P1 set is light and compact. The P1 airbrush kit is equipped with a total of 2 batteries. When we were spraying with one of the batteries, the other battery is charged. The 2 batteries are used alternately. It also greatly extends the battery life, and the battery replacement of the P1 is particularly simple. Press the bottom battery, remove the battery, replace it with another battery. Replace the battery in 3 simple and quick steps. Won't let our spray be interrupted by changing batteries. That's all for today's video. If you want to own this P1 airbrush set, please contact us now.